So the first thing we do when we arrive at a termite job, besides greeting the homeowner, is taking the sketch or diagram that the salesman has drawn up initially and taking that and reviewing it against the structure itself as we're there. So once we do that, we go in all the areas that are going to be treated and make sure they all match up. And once they do, then we can begin the treatment. If we were going to do the soil, he would trench the soil, and then trench being several inches wide, about 6 inches deep, he would then take his soil needle and treat the soil every 12 or so inches and work the needle down as far as you can get it. Once that's done, he then covers the trench and installs termiteller stakes. The termiteller stakes are there so when we do our reinspection, what we would do is to pull them out to see if we have any termite activity. Then when it comes to any slab areas, which would be concrete, he would then take his rotary hammer, drill through those every 12 inches. Once the holes are all drilled in the applicable spots, he would then sweep up the debris. And when that's all prepared, he would then go to the truck and get the treatment hose and the appropriate tool. He would then treat those slab areas through the hole. Once the hole is treated, he then cork and cement that treatment point. Okay, we had the same thing that we had in the garage, where we have a tube that they've built up from the slab coming up the wall. In this case, this room was covered with wall covering, either sheetrock or paneling, with furring strips on the wall. So what happened was they made it up far enough where they actually contacted a food source, and now they're hooked into it and they're not going to give up until they're done. Well, the termite swarmers are about 1/8 of an inch, the body's about 1/8 of an inch and cigar shaped. And the wings of the termite are twice the length of that body. And the one key thing with the termite swarmer is that the wings, once they emerge, will fall off the termite. Termite inside a home will crawl into cracks and crevices and basically die. 100% of them will die inside the house. But the wings left behind are a telltale sign that a swarm occurred. So if someone was on vacation or out for the day, this could occur, but the wings would be left behind. And just by brushing your hand over the floor area or over a windowsill, they're so light that they get picked up and you can see them. Almost looks like dust. So it can be missed by homeowners, but hopefully if they're sharp enough, they'll collect them and give us a call.